How to earn $165 an hour with ChatGPT. No experience needed. Imagine earning $165 an hour without spending a dime or needing a massive social media following. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With the power of ChatGPT, you can dive into an exciting side hustle that requires only a small time commitment each day. If you're ready to learn how to harness AI to generate extra income, keep reading. A quick overview. A recent tutorial reveals a straightforward method to monetize ChatGPT. It takes less than an hour to set up, requires just 15 minutes of your day, and can help you generate income from the comfort of your home. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a practical way to supplement your income. Why ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that can assist you in creating various content types, from engaging social media posts to eye-catching blog articles. The more detailed your prompts, the better the results. This capability allows you to tap into a marketplace where others are selling prompts for anywhere from $5 to $10 each. Step-by-step guide to get started. Step 1. Sign up for ChatGPT. Start by signing up for ChatGPT. It's free and easy to set up. Familiarize yourself with how it operates. Remember, specific prompts yield the best results. Step 2. Use free tools. Next, you'll want to sign up for a free tool that enables you to add calls to action to any website. No need to invest in paid plans right away. Start with the free trial and get familiar with the interface. Step 3. Explore affiliate opportunities. Check out Tio, a new competitor to Amazon that offers generous affiliate commissions. They're currently giving top affiliates a bonus of up to $3,000 per week. By simply creating an account, you can earn $10 for every person who downloads the app using your affiliate link, plus a 20% commission on their purchases. Promoting your affiliate links. With your tools ready and your affiliate account set up, it's time to promote. Here are a few effective strategies. 1. Social media posting. Use the content generated by ChatGPT to craft posts in shopping groups on platforms like Facebook. You're not just promoting products, you're sharing valuable content that includes your affiliate links. 2. Medium blogging. Create a free blog on Medium to publish articles. Use ChatGPT to help generate engaging content that seamlessly integrates your affiliate links. 3. Pinterest marketing. Set up a Pinterest account and start posting pins related to your affiliate products. Design attractive visuals and include your affiliate links for traffic that converts. The power of faceless YouTube channels. For those looking to scale, consider creating faceless YouTube automation channels. This strategy involves posting videos that attract viewers without showing your face. Successful channels can earn substantial revenue through ad placements and affiliate marketing, all while requiring minimal personal involvement. Hit the subscribe button to get the latest ways making money. Conclusion. Earning $165 an hour with ChatGPT is within reach, and it doesn't require a hefty investment or a background in digital marketing. By dedicating just a few minutes a day, you can tap into a rewarding side hustle. So why wait? Dive into this exciting opportunity and start your journey to making extra income today.